So with the first project, 3D printed project done, which are the brackets for the 2JZ and also the shortener for the coils, I am ready to make a little box where I'm going to put this guy here. So first I'm gonna measure all of this here and try to see where the holes go. I'm gonna try to make a simple plate to see if it fits in here, and then we're gonna go to the rest and see how we're gonna fit it. So this is gonna connect on our Speedy FI. And here we go. That's our part right there. It's finishing ironing the rest of it. Oof, look at that. Nailed it. So now that I know that this works, I can get it and complete a little more of the box. So I'll see if I can go up and forward like this much here and see if we can put the wiring all inside properly. So this is the final product. I already printed everything last night. Look at that, how cool. The only thing that failed was this top part here because it was hanging and the support wasn't made in here. Look at this. It's pretty good. Cable goes to the back and then we're gonna make an adapter. I gotta cut these things here. So this is the idea right here. I'm gonna get the connector and the other one. Nice, look at that. And I'm gonna cover this side here and this should be good to go. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is gonna go in the Supra. I'm super excited, super stoked. Now, next videos that I have 3D printing, you're gonna see carbon fiber nylon. Look at this thing, this is sick. And even the filament, can you hear? This is very, very rough because it has 20% of carbon fiber and nylon PA12. So this is gonna be strong, it's going to be very expensive parts, and that's what I'm going to use to make these stalks, which is this part here, this brown part here. This is ABS. I'm going to make out of that because that one cannot stand 190 degrees. So stay tuned. Supra is getting ready. A lot of 3D printing printing third time. So stay tuned, getting ready. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Supra is getting ready. A lot of 3D printing happening right now. And